Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 trading tools that traders are using in 2024. Importance of trading tools. Having the right tools can make all the difference in your trading success. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, these tools will enhance your trading strategies and improve your market performance. We'll cover everything from advanced charting platforms to AI-powered trade ideas, so stick around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trading tips and tools. Let's get started. Sniper trades. First up is Sniper Trades, the ultimate trading community. Unlike traditional trading tools, Sniper Trades is a vibrant, paid community designed to provide retail traders, options traders, and all types of traders with an enriching environment to learn and grow with like-minded individuals. Key features and benefits. Sniper Trades offers comprehensive educational content covering technical and chart analysis, interpreting options flow, macroeconomic interpretation, trader psychology, and account management. Members benefit from expert guidance, learning from seasoned educators who share options, trading tips, swing trading strategies, and day trading insights through reading materials, educational videos, and market walkthroughs. Daily market insights and flexible membership plans. Members stay ahead with daily updates on macroeconomic details, technical analysis, chart patterns, and options flow data to execute profitable trades without bias. Sniper Trades offers various membership plans tailored to different levels of access to resources and features. How to get started with Sniper Trades. To get started, there is a 7-day trial membership available. This trial allows potential members to test out premium Discord channels and experience the benefits firsthand before making a commitment. Join the fastest-growing Discord group for traders today and embark on a journey towards successful trading with Sniper Trades. StockCharts.com. Overview of StockCharts.com. Next, we have StockCharts.com, a web-based platform that offers a variety of charting tools for traders. Using technical indicators, StockCharts.com provides a wide range of technical indicators like Bollinger Bands, MACD, and SMAs. These tools are essential for identifying market trends and potential entry and exit points. Customizing your charts. The platform allows you to customize your charts extensively, adjust timeframes, add annotations, and compare multiple stocks. This flexibility is invaluable for making quick decisions. Webull overview of Webull. Webull is a low-cost trading platform popular among beginner and intermediate traders, offering commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options. Key features. Webull features powerful, customizable platforms, educational content, and recently introduced futures trading. It's designed more for traders than investors. Benefits of using Webull. With zero commission trading and a user-friendly interface, Webull helps you make informed decisions and execute trades efficiently. Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim, developed by TD Ameritrade and now integrated with Charles Schwab, offers a comprehensive suite of trading tools. Key features. Thinkorswim provides real-time data, advanced charting, and customizable features. You can trade a wide variety of assets, including stocks, options, futures, and cryptocurrencies. On-demand and pre-market scanner. The on-demand feature allows you to backtest strategies, while the pre-market scanner helps identify trading opportunities before the market opens. User experience. Available in desktop, web, and mobile versions, Thinkorswim ensures you have access to your tools wherever you are. Trade ideas. Introduction to trade ideas. Finally, we have Trade Ideas, an AI-powered platform for trade idea generation and execution. Key features. Trade Ideas tool, Holly, uses machine learning to provide robust backtesting and various alerts for quick decision-making. You can customize strategies for different stocks and asset classes. Benefits of using Trade Ideas. The AI-powered insights and customizable alerts help traders stay ahead of the market and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Also, don't forget to check out Sniper Trades for more exclusive trading insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy trading